This week in AI, a massive open-source model redefines the limits of coding agents. A lightning-fast reasoning engine bridges the gap between speed and intelligence, and a cinematic video tool achieves a new standard for native audio-visual synchronization. Welcome to Traficant 3 Weekly Roundup, where we give 3 news in 3 minutes. First up, a major leap in open-source AI has arrived with the launch of GLM 4.7, a 400 billion parameter model optimized for complex coding and tool use. This version introduces preserved thinking, a feature that allows the model to maintain reasoning chains across multi-turn conversations, preventing the constant repetition found in older systems. It excels in terminal-based workflows, showing a massive 16.5% boost in performance on industry benchmarks compared to its predecessor. Developers are also highlighting its vibe coding capabilities, which produce cleaner, modern front-end designs with high-quality layouts and aesthetics right out of the box. By matching the performance of top proprietary models on reasoning tasks while remaining accessible, this release marks a significant milestone for the open-source community. Next, the intelligence landscape is shifting with the official release of Gemini 3 Flash, a model designed to deliver frontier-level reasoning at a fraction of the usual cost. This update bridges the gap between Flash speed and pure intelligence, offering 3 times the speed of previous iterations while maintaining state-of-the-art multimodal understanding. A standout feature is its dynamic thinking capability, where the model automatically adjusts its cognitive budget based on the complexity of the task, using fewer tokens for simple queries. It now serves as the default engine across major search and app interfaces, supporting massive context windows for text, audio, and video analysis. This makes it one of the most efficient tools for developers building responsive, high-throughput AI agents.
And finally, the world of AI video has entered a new era with Seedance 1.5 Pro, a model that generates high-fidelity visuals and audio simultaneously. Unlike traditional methods that layer sound after the fact, this joint generation approach ensures millisecond-level synchronization for lip movements, ambient sounds, and action effects. The model excels at cinematic narrative tension, allowing creators to specify complex camera movements like dolly zooms and handheld tracking directly through prompts. It also supports multi-language and multi-character dialogue, making it possible to generate entire scenes with natural vocal textures and emotional depth. This advancement reduces the need for extensive post-production, offering a truly production-ready solution for digital storytellers and marketers alike.
Okay, and that's it for this week's AI news. And remember, the AI we are living in today is just the beginning. The best is yet to come. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.